Have you ever experienced issues with your iPad's touch screen? Does your screen respond even when it's not in use? Or do you experience ghost typing problems? To solve these problems, this video provides you with the following 5 methods. Firstly, check your iPad screen for any smudges or debris that could be mistaken for your hands. If you have a case on your iPad, try removing it to see if that helps. Secondly, you can try to close background applications. If you open too many applications, the device is likely to behave abnormally. Thirdly, make sure you're using a compatible cable and charging device. Try using the official charging cable. Fourthly, force restart your iPad. For iPads with a home button, press and hold the home button and the top button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. For iPads without a home button, press the volume up and volume down buttons, and finally press and hold the top button until the Apple logo appears. If you have tried these 4 methods without solving the problem, you now need to resort to some third-party tools. iPhixer is a professional iOS issue repair tool that is 100% successful. First, download it on your PC and open it. Select Standard Mode. Connect your iPad to your PC and make sure it's unlocked. iPhixer will download the appropriate firmware for your device. Need to put your iPad in recovery mode. Don't worry, iPhixer provides instructions on how to operate all models of devices. You just need to follow the on-screen instructions to operate the device. Click the Start button to repair your iPad and do not operate your device during the repair process. After a little while, your iPad is fixed. Now you can use it normally. iPhixer is a professional iOS issue repair tool that won't cause any data loss. If you have any further questions about your iOS, please leave them in the comments section below. We're always happy to help you out.